Imagine getting a voicemail saying you've been pre-approved for up to $70,000 with low monthly payments and no hassle. Sounds tempting, right? But what if that call is actually part of a phishing scam designed to steal your identity and financial information? Today, we're exposing the so-called Broadview Capital Group loan scam and breaking down the major red flags you need to know before calling these numbers back. Victims report receiving robocalls or voicemail messages from someone claiming to be named Roman from Broadview Capital Group. The message usually sounds professional and says something like this.
Roman calling from Broadview Capital Group regarding your unsecured personal loan application. I'm reaching out because you've been pre-approved for up to $70,000 with monthly payments starting at just. I want to make sure you have all the details and your questions are answered before we move ahead with the documents. Please give me a ring back at 833-363-6775 at your earliest convenience. Once more, the number is 833-363-6775. Looking forward to connecting with you.
At first glance, it sounds legitimate. The caller sounds calm, professional, and confident. But this is exactly how many financial scams operate. The first major red flag is the unsolicited loan offer. Legitimate lenders usually require a formal application, identity verification, income checks, and a review of your credit history before approving large loans. Scammers skip all of that and immediately promise huge amounts of money, sometimes up to $70,000, just to lure victims into responding. If it sounds too easy, that's usually because it is. Another common tactic is urgency. The voicemail often pressures you to call back immediately so they can move ahead with the documents before the offer expires. This is designed to stop you from thinking critically or researching the company. Real financial institutions do not rush customers into giving sensitive information over the phone. Once victims call back, scammers may ask for highly sensitive information such as Social Security numbers, banking information, driver's license details, employment information, online banking credentials. This is classic phishing behavior. The goal may not even be to give you a loan. The real goal could be identity theft, financial fraud, or unauthorized access to your accounts. Reports also mention that there's often no verifiable physical address, no confirmed lender registration, and little transparency about who is actually behind these calls. Legitimate lenders are usually registered with state financial authorities and have clear contact information and licensing records. If you can't independently verify the company, do not trust the offer. So, what should you do if you receive one of these calls? First, do not provide any personal or banking information. Second, do not click suspicious links sent through text or email. Third, block the phone numbers and report them to consumer protection agencies or your phone carrier. And finally, always research loan companies independently before responding to any unsolicited offers. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe, and share this warning with friends and family so more people can avoid these scams. And if you've received a similar call, leave a comment below describing your experience.